Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday, where we cook delicious meals that don't break the bank. Today we're going to be cooking King Ranch chicken casserole. We're going to begin with dicing up one red bell pepper, we're going to dice up one green bell pepper, and we're going to dice one medium onion. We're gonna take 10 corn tortillas and cut them in quarters. And we're gonna set them aside. In a skillet over high heat, we're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Once our oil is hot, we're going to add the onion and the bell peppers to the skillet. And we're going to saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. Now that the onions and bell peppers have sauteed for about 3 minutes, we're going to cut off the heat. We're going to transfer the peppers and onions to a bowl. Now we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ancho powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of chipotle powder. We're going to add in 1 cup of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Now we're going to add in 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, and 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. And we're going to mix until it's well combined. Now that's done, it's time to build our casserole. We're going to take a couple tablespoons of your sauce. We're going to spread it. On the bottom of the pan. And we're going to take 3 pounds of chicken. You can use a rotisserie chicken. I'm using cooked chicken thighs. We're going to take half of that. We're going to layer it on the bottom. We're going to layer it on top of the sauce. Now we're going to layer half of our sauce on top of the chicken. I'm going to take 4 ounces of shredded cheese and layer it over the sauce. Take half of our tortillas we quartered, and then we're going to layer them in. Now we're going to spread the remaining chicken over the tortillas. Now we're going to take half of the remaining sauce, spread it on top of the chicken. We're going to take 1/3 of our remaining cheese, sprinkle it on the top, which this recipe calls for 8 ounces of cheese, if I forgot to mention that. We take the rest of our tortillas. Now we're going to take the remaining sauce and spread it over the tortillas. Now take the remaining cheese and sprinkle it on top of that. We're going to bake at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. And after those 40 minutes, we're going to turn off the oven and we're going to turn on the broiler, and we're going to broil it on high for 2 to 3 minutes. And 43 minutes later, it's time to eat. It's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's pretty darn good. Cost us around $23 to make, and it feeds 8 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.